Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese Level 3. My name is Rose Lee. In this level, I will be teaching you Chinese from daily conversations. In our conversations, you will hear expressions that are frequently used by native speakers. Now let's get started. 第一遍 First time, no subtitles. 你听，有人在放烟花，你听到了吗？听到了，我们一起去看吧。吃完饭我们一起去看，好吗？好。烟花在那里，你看到了吗？没看到，在那个房子的后面。我看到了，真好看。第二遍 Second time with subtitles. 你听，有人在放烟花，你听到了吗？听到了，我们一起去看吧。吃完饭我们一起去看，好吗？好。烟花在那里，你看到了吗？没看到，在那个房子的后面。我看到了，真好看。The key part of this lesson is result complement. What exactly is result complement? We are going to explain by looking at the words below. 听到 to hear. If we break this down, 听 means to listen. 到 is a result complement. Let's look at another example. 听见. 听见 is also to hear. And let's break it down. 听 is to listen. And 见 is a result complement. So if you want to say to hear something, these two words, 听到 and 听见 can be used interchangeably. Let's look at the sentence structure with a verb and a result complement in it. It's subject plus verb plus result complement plus object. For example, 你听，有人在放烟花，你听到了吗？ Listen, someone's setting off fireworks. Did you hear them? So here the first 听 is just a verb, listen. And the second one, 听到 is to hear. Although 听到 is composed by two words, 听 and 到, a verb and a result complement. You can think of these two words as a compound verb, to hear. Let's look at another word with result complement. 看到. 看到 is to see. If we break that down, 看 means to look. 到 is a result complement. 看到 is to see. 看见 is also to see. Here, if we break it down, 看 is to look, just the action to look. 见 is a result complement. Again, if you want to say something, you can use both 看到 and 看见. These two are interchangeable. Example, 烟花在那里，你看到了吗？ The fireworks are over there. Did you see them? Next, I'm going to answer another important question. Lots of students ask me, how do you negate a sentence with a result complement? Do you use 不 or 没? Think of it this way. 看到 means to see. 听到 means to hear. If it has a result complement, then it means it's an action that happened in the past. Did you see it? Did you hear it? So it only makes sense if you use 没 to negate it, because 没 is used to negate a past action. So the negative form of a result complement will be subject plus 没 plus verb plus result complement plus object. For example, 烟花在那里，你看到了吗？ The fireworks are over there. Did you see them? 没看到. No, I didn't see them. Another common question with a result complement is, where do I put that particle 了? We all know that 了 is there to indicate a past action. But where to put it? Is it after the verb or after the result complement? Think of this way. The verb and the result complement make a compound verb. So we should put that 了 after this compound verb. So after the result complement. For example, 烟花在那里，你看到了吗？ The fireworks are over there. Did you see them? 你看到了吗？ So 了 is after 看到 the result complement. Similar phrases with result complement will be 做完. We know 完 is to finish or to end. 做完 means to finish doing something. Another example will be 写完. 写 is to write. 完 is to finish. So 写完 means to finish writing something. Now let's have a pop quiz to see if you understand this concept. If you want to say, look, there's a panda over there. Did you see it? What is the Chinese translation? 看，那里有一只熊猫，你看到了吗？ Have you finished doing it? What is the Chinese translation? It should be 你做完了吗？ Another question. I haven't finished doing it. What's the Chinese translation of this one? 我没做完。So, did you get all of them right? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!